what's going on, guys? It's Jay, that drain guy. We are in a storage facility, and they have this roof drain that they need snaked out. They had the plumber come in and install a clean out on it, and we're going to snake it out now. Hoping that the pipe was holding water, but unfortunately it's not. Okay, perfect. Thanks a lot, Mark. All right, bye. No worries. Bye. All right, so everything seems to be cleared. I think it was possibly the rainfall we got. We got some really heavy rain the last little while. So it possibly could have came up through a floor drain that the roof drains are tied into. But without actually seeing what happened at the time, there's no way to really know. I'm 75 feet, well, 70 feet in, and I felt no blockage, didn't hit nothing, no water went away, but I also don't see any water in there, so that's where we're gonna leave this. So I'm just gonna pull out, we're gonna wrap up, and this has been Jay, that drain guy, signing out. Trout now.